The free plan allows 3 downloads a month, all of them watermarked, all of them below HD. We review it so you don't have to. Animaker. Animaker is a browser-based drag-and-drop animation tool. And unlike most of what gets reviewed here, it is a real established company. It also owns vMaker and Steve AI, if those names mean anything to you. Thousands of templates, characters, lip sync, the lot. For explainer videos, it is genuinely one of the easier ways in. So here is what the free plan actually is. A demo. 3 downloads a month, watermark, sub-HD quality. The paid tiers are $15, $25, and $43 a month if you pay yearly. And every tier caps your downloads. 5, 10, 30 a month. Go over, and extra downloads cost $10 to $20 each. Want to sell what you make or use it for a client? Commercial rights start at $43. Users report the render times too. A 5-minute video taking 3 to 4 hours to render, according to longtime users on Reddit. And the Better Business Bureau has complaints from customers charged $368 for a plan, advertised at $300, plus $78 in fees they did not expect. 6 out of 10. The tool works and the templates are good. If you make the occasional explainer, starter at $25 a month is reasonable. If you need volume or commercial use, Canva Pro at about $13 a month, or Blender for free will go further.
If that was useful, hit like and subscribe to Misa Reviews and turn notifications on so the next one finds you. See you in the next review.